Making money nowadays has become easy. There are different websites, platform on which you can earn money. Before that, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel on how to earn money. Today in this video I will in detail tell you about how to make $100 a day in 2022. So let's start and earn money online. Hello everyone, my name is Saad and I am digital marketing expert. So you want to know how to make $100 a day? $100 a day may not be enough for some people out there, but for majority of the people it can be a full-time living. Not kidding. Either you have a job and you want to start making $100 a day on the side, or you are jobless and want to start making money. I have got you covered. 1. Write and publish an ebook. People who are naturally good at writing can go for Amazon Kindle publishing. Normally, we have been trained enough at our high schools and colleges about how to research and present written material effectively. So almost everybody can opt for this money-making strategy. The best part is that the Kindle app is available on every device ranging from your laptop to smartphones. So no extra hassle is needed. You can put up your book for $1.49, $6.99 and you earn 70% of the sale. Considering how huge Amazon's market along with how most people are always itching to lessen the load of their pocket, this is a pretty fantastic deal. The key is to create value. Your ebook should preferably be non-fiction which aims at making people's life better in some way. This can be done either by providing knowledge, insights, or suggestions about how to solve certain universal or wide-scale level problems like depression. Almost all the books that sell good have attractive titles such as Secret to 7 Ways to and so on. People are attracted to such titles. Another useful tip is to get a great cover design that stands out, and once your book is live on Kindle store, it is really important to get some super attractive reviews from your own social circle at least. This makes it go rank higher in results, and needless to say it's a great marketing technique. 2. Become a freelance writer. I recommend you to first choose a niche, e.g. fitness, start a blog in that niche, write 10 to 15 quality articles on your blog which you would be showing to your clients as samples, build relationships with fellow bloggers in your niche, do guest blogging on their blogs to get exposure and last, but not the least, start approaching websites in your niche to provide your content writing services at competitive rates. Freelance writing is one of the most lucrative ways to make money online with a vast scope that is continuously increasing day by day. According to Bill Gates, content is king. New companies open every day, and they want content for their content marketing strategies. They want content writers to write high-quality content for them, and they are ready to pay good amount of money for that. You don't need to be a scholar or a vocabulary geek to become a content writer. If you can write an article in simple English language in a conversational tone with no grammatical errors, you can become a successful freelance writer. 3. Join Amazon Affiliate Program. Amazon has an affiliate program that allows you to sell their products and earn a commission per sale. Considering the amount of sales Amazon gets on average, you can surely make a lot of money with this program, but Amazon has strict guidelines regarding promotional strategies. The best and the legitimate way to make money with Amazon affiliate program is to make website focused around one small niche and then reviewing products on it. People are literally making millions of dollars every month using this method. Want some inspiration? Luqman Khan, the ex-owner of 10beasts.com, an Amazon affiliate site, started this website back in January 2016 and started making $40,000 per month within few months. Later on he sold the site for $500,000 in December 2017. 4. Offer gigs on Fiverr. Fiverr is a huge freelance website where you can sell any kind of service from $5 to $10,000. You can sell any kind of virtual service you can think of. Yes, any kind of service. Graphics designing, content writing, web development and digital marketing are the most trending niches on Fiverr, but at the same time there is a lot of competition in these niches too. Getting your first few orders are difficult, so I would recommend you to tell your friends and family about the service you are providing and also promote your gigs on social media to get the first few sales. You can learn any professional skill online and start providing your services. 5. Sell t-shirts online. We know people love t-shirts a lot, and when it comes to events-related ones like Black Friday or Christmas t-shirts, they just go crazy. Why not turn this obsession into a profitable business? You can design eye-catching and cool t-shirts related to some event or whatsoever and sell it to people through Facebook ads or any other advertising medium. Don't worry, you don't need to do anything including printing, storing or shipping etc. The whole process is done by Teespring. Teespring is a print-on-demand website that allows you to design t-shirts and advertise them through any medium. Whenever someone buys the t-shirt through your link, it is shipped to him by Teespring. Teespring takes $10 per t-shirt and you keep the profit. Isn't that cool? You can potentially make $100 a day using this method, but first you need to learn how to promote your product, and for that you need to learn FB ads, or you can do it using Instagram, but first learn the promotional methods and then get into this stuff, because you would be investing money here. 6. Start a blog. Blogging takes some time to get good at. It also depends on what kind of blog you are thinking of. Blogs are those websites that focus on articles and other forms of written content only. These days, people use blogs for advertising, expressing their views, self-help guidelines, digital marketing guidelines and so on. It becomes pretty useful when you have a dedicated audience that regularly visits your posts. So why should you invest efforts in blogging? Let me briefly tell you why. 1. Make money from home. Blogging can be very rewarding whenever done correctly. The top bloggers out there clearly gain quite a lot, however even part-time bloggers can hope to make a decent money if done properly. The best part about it is that blogging is that it can become a source of passive income in future for you. 2. Share your story. With a blog, you can speak your heart out to your audience and share your memories and anecdotes. 3. Recognition for yourself or your business. Whether you are a public figure or a businessman, blogging can help you promote yourself and your business to your targeted audience. 4. Create a network. Blogging at its heart is interactive. You compose a blog entry and people comment on it. This is an incredible method to engage with people who are keen on similar things as you are. Blogging enables you to train these people according to your experience, and it offers you the chance to gain from your readers also. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe.